Hey guys, today's episode is gonna be a little different today, but because I'm have to draw this from my computer, because when I do this, I print out the pictures, but the printer just kind of got busted accidentally, so I'm just gonna do it from here. Today I'm gonna show you how to draw raditz. Yeah, Goku's brother. You see, Goku's brother Raditz, he came to Earth under the orders of Lord Frieza, and, if you must know, he fought, Goku to both their deaths, and, he even tried to murder his own nephew, Gohan. But, Goku was sent to King Kai's. And, as for Raditz, he was sent to the Earth's underworld. I know some of you guys call it hell, but, you don't really have to call it that. King Yema calls it below. Anyways, when you start drawing him, he has the scouter on his eye here. And be sure to make sure to add a few face lines here to draw his head. Draw the part here. Next up, here's his other head. Here's his eye here. There's the nose. There's his smile. There's his skull. There we go. There's his skull. We're just gonna go down here. Anyways, I don't know when Raditz is going to return. I bet he would be an excellent addition to Dragon Ball FighterZ. And, like I mentioned before, you remember the evil Saiyan Cumber? The one that I mentioned before? Yeah, he kind of looks like Raditz a little bit. And, basically, unlike him, he never served under Lord Frieza. He was locked up in a castle. And, like most Saiyans, he wears this, armor, kind of like Nappa's armor. Now, next up, you just gotta draw the arms here. There we go. There's his thigh, there's his leg, there's his abs here, pecs, or something. Next up, here's his... There's his arm. We did see Nappa return in Dragon Ball Super when he was an illusion from that forest where he fought every villain that Goku and his pals defeated has returned. And Oh, anyways, here's this part of his body. Here we go. Next up, you just gotta draw the tail that surrounds his body like a belt. As you must know, sometimes their tails might get in the way, but not exactly. Here's the band around his arm. Anyways, this thing on his head, it's called a scouter. It allows you to measure the fighter's power levels. For example, you remember Vegeta's scouter, the one he broke after he said, "It's over 9,000!" Hold on. I think this thing could... You know, after Goku... After Vegeta said...
It's over 9,000! What, 9,000? There's no way that can be right!
Well, the Scouters, they had... He managed... Every fighter in the Frieza Force has one, including Lemo, and Chi-Lai, characters who I don't even know about. But, I mean, I did see them in Dragon Ball Super Broly, but they have their own... they have their own similarities. Okay, next up, here's the belt here. There we go. And lastly, we just gotta draw his hair. If you must know, Raditz's hair is kind of long and spiky. My friend Tyler came up with a reference for him. His name is Zudo, Covenant's rival. But I wonder how he progresses in the show. And there we go. There's his hair. There we go. There's his hair here. And done. That is how you draw Raditz. Pretty impressive, huh? Pretty awesome, right? So, anyways, what's your favorite character of Dragon Ball Fighters? What's your favorite character of Dragon Ball Super? Who do you want me to include next in the show? Do you want me to include a Supreme Kai, or any character from Dragon Ball Fight, or another character from Dragon Ball Fighters like Videl and such? You could choose anyone you want, guys. Any fighter you want me to list up, I'll be waiting for you. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. Bye.